night. So good to be alive. It feels so good. Ain't nobody knocking if they try. This is hustle personified.
Good morning, guys. Well, hey guys. I don't want to say good morning. It is morning here, but anyway, hey guys. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in the car, which normally means we're starting a vlog. So this is the start of just a weekly vlog. It's actually Saturday, February 5th, and I'm headed to get my eyebrows done and my nails done because it has been entirely too long. And I don't know if it's just me, let me know in the comments, but when I get my nails done and my eyebrows done and stuff, I just feel better about myself, and like my hair done, because I washed it and I just braided it down, because I just washed it and blow dried it, and I'll come home and do something to it later. But I don't know, when I get my hair and stuff done, it just makes me feel better. So we're gonna start this vlog off. Thank you guys for joining me. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not, welcome back. But if you are new, my name is Aphrodite Nichelle. I do videos on I do vlogs, fashion videos. I do tours, like apartment tours in Charlotte or surrounding areas. So if you guys are interested, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button. Give this video a thumbs up because it really supports my channel, and I want to thank you guys who have already been supporting my channel. So yeah, we're gonna just go do this stuff real quick, get back, and because I have like 3 videos that I would like to be able to record today. So I want to, like, it's literally 9:30 in the morning right now, so I want to go ahead and knock this out so that I can get back and get to doing those videos. So I'm just gonna get myself together because I'm looking rough right now, and I've been looking rough like this for quite some time. People walking around. Yeah, I've been looking like this for a minute now, so gotta get it fixed. This is not the way. So yeah. It's just been a lot going on in my life, so like personally, and I haven't been feeling like doing anything, like feeling like going to the nail salon, and I don't know, I've just been a little stressed actually, like, just to be quite honest, I've actually been stressed. So do some self-care today, and hopefully it helps change my mood. So okay, so it's much later in the vlog.
Ciao.
Joelle and I are headed to
It took us a while to get there, but we're gonna make it.
It was a long time coming.
A long time coming.
But we are headed to Fahrenheit because we tried to go to Nouveau, but there's a private event going on tonight.
There's $10 parking right here.
We could have been right here. But remember I said there was a parking garage right there?
I think we're just kind of looking for something.
It was too much going on.
It was too much going on.
We just got lost in a building that we really don't know where we were just now. Honestly, don't know how we're going to find our way back. But
oh my gosh, where's the building?
I don't know.
Oh my God.
I think it's that Wells Fargo building.
Lost.
It's the Wells Fargo building.
At least we're pretty. And that
yes,
matters.
we look good.
We look good.
That's for sure. Everything is snatched in for the night.
Wait, honey.
And yeah, serving body, serving face, and serving, we don't know where we're going.
Exactly.
But it's fine now. We're here. We're going in. That's the entrance down there. And we're good.
Are we just leaving to go home or what?
I hope not, because what the fuck?
What time do they normally?
2?
Oh, okay, cool.
So,
I mean, you've
yeah.
only been getting ready for 5 hours.
Wow. He was not supposed to say that on camera.
Only.
Bye, y'all. Okay guys, so I realized that I did not show y'all what I got from the store, but I will show y'all that tomorrow or later today. I'm back home. Joelle and I had a really good time. I've washed off my makeup, did my skincare routine, put some serums on my face. I'm about to get up on my bed and watch the Cosbys. But I just wanted to come on really quick because I know I didn't talk to y'all and show y'all what I got from the store. So I will do that. So I'm gonna get into bed because I'm tired now. So I'll see y'all later. Good morning, guys. Well, good afternoon. It's 12:20. It's Sunday, my favorite day. I get to reset and, you know, all new things. What is on this plant? That's really gross. Anyway, it's late. When I was recording last night, it was like 2:42 in the morning. Joelle and I had a really good time, as I said, but I'm getting ready to go to the store. I need to go to Trader Joe's and a couple other places just to get myself ready for the week because I have nothing to cook. So I'm going to get all of that stuff done now. I just have on a sweatshirt and I just pinned my hair back just out of my face. And this is it. I have like 3 videos to record when I get back, so I have to go and come back so I can get this stuff out of the way. So I guess I'll see y'all later. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Marty, come here. Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come here. Ugh, whatever. Anyway. Okay. So I'm back from the store. I forgot that I didn't forget, but I didn't show y'all what I got from the store yesterday. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got from the store yesterday. I don't really think y'all need to see what I got from the store today. It's my normal groceries on Sunday that I did. Stop! He's so annoying. But it's my normal groceries that I get from the store for the week. So I'll show y'all what I got from the store yesterday though. So I went to Target. And I was trying to find a vase that I could put my eucalyptus in. That belly out here is the cat running around. So this is the vase that I found at Target. It is so pretty. Can y'all see the texture on that? It's pretty. Anyway, this is the... He's going crazy. This is the vase that I got. It's pretty big. I just want to be able to put my eucalyptus in it that I got from Trader Joe's. So I got that. Some razors for my legs. From Target. And I ran out of my rain bath shower gel. So I got another one of these. I get the big one because I've been using this for years. And I just get the big one because it lasts me a long time. But I then realized when I got back home and was getting ready to go out with Joelle that I did not have any more of the oil either. So I had to get some of that today, but this is the big size of it. It's the 32-ounce rain bath shower gel. It smells really good. Like I said, I've been using it for years. And I just re-upped today. I also got one of these little chapstick hydrating, just chapsticks. I love these little things. I always just get some and just throw them in my purse. And it's just one of those little, not a real applicator. You just apply it to your lips. And I just put this on all the time. I actually needed some right now because my lips are dry. See? No real color. Just hydrated lips. So I got that. And then I also went to Ulta because my skin changes colors like any other person during the year. And the ones that I had was too dark for these winter months. And my skin is still beautifully dark, but not that it's lighting up for these months. So I need a new foundation. So I decided I was gonna try the Lancome. It says 24-hour comfort retouch. That's not even in English. I'm reading the wrong one. Sorry, I just read the one that was in French, but it's okay. Up to 24-hour colorway and comfort, transfer resistant. That actually turned out to be true because it was not on my mask when I left. So I did use this yesterday. Y'all will have already, by the time you've seen this, seen the video where I do my makeup and I have this on. But I get the shade, well, I have the shade 552 Suede. And that's just what it looks like on screen. Close to me. But yeah, it's good. It lasts for a long time. It was really good. So I'll leave that video linked up here so that you guys can check that out. And I got this Nair Bladeless Shave Whipped Cream. Softens, smooth skin, no next cuts. But I've never tried this one. I've used Nair on my legs and stuff before, but I never tried this one. So I was like, I'll try it. And then, which also you will have seen by now, for Valentine's Day, I got myself the Prada Candy Perfume. This is the 1 ounce bottle. It smells so good. I wore this last night when me and Joel went out. And he was just like, what is that you got on? And I just told him it's this one. In the big one, this part sprays, you push it down like that. But in this one, you just take it off. But it smells really good. But yeah, that's just what I got yesterday from Target and Ulta. And today, Trader Joe's has tulips now. I guess because Valentine's Day and spring is coming. So I got these to put in my kitchen just because Valentine's Day is coming up. And I figured it'd be nice to have a red color in here. And I got myself flowers since nobody else is gonna get me flowers. So also got some. Now this is not the eucalyptus I put in my shower, but I put it in these vases. So I got it. Whoop, don't go in that stink. I got it to go in this, so you know it'll be cute once it's all opened up. But you see where I'm going? You see where I'm going with that? It's gonna look cute. So I got that to put in that. And I don't like the second word of this, but this is baby's, you know what? I'll leave it on the screen. I just don't like to say that word. It always just seems like it should be something that stinks. Anyway, that's what these are. And they actually stink. But I'm gonna mix it with the tulips and put them in my kitchen. But this is the actual name for it, but it's just also known as that. But that's what I got. And then I just got like my regular groceries, like I said, the hash browns from Trader Joe's, the ice cream, something to cook for dinner, makings for a salad for the week. My cat is playing with a toy, and fabric softener, scent boosters, that type of stuff. So I'm gonna put this stuff away so that I can get to recording. So I have to record and I have to cook, and it is already 3 o'clock. Yeah, I need to get stuff going. So I'm gonna go finish that and I'll check back in with y'all. Okay guys, so I feel like this vlog has been all over the place, but I just finished filming the Shein haul. I think that video is like literally a disaster, and to try to film it all over again would be crazy, but I'm finished. I'm about to eat. I have to work tomorrow, and then I'm getting on the road to go back to Wilson. So yeah, everybody sees you. He's so crazy. But I'm gonna eat really quick because it is late. It is 9:53 and I need to really like get myself going. So we'll talk later. Bye. Okay, this angle is terrible. I look crazy, but I'm wearing my sweatshirt from the Shein haul that I just did. And I have a package. This is from AphroditeNichelle, and I cannot open it. This is sealed up. Okay, first of all, packaging. Y'all, check this out. This is the Dome Piece beanie hat, handmade with love material, wool cotton. And it has the logo on it, so cute. This one is black. I love these hats. Like, this is literally handmade. A hand knitted hat, like the regular beanies. It might not fit on my hair right now. Yes. Okay. And this is exactly how I would be having on because I be trying to like hide that my hair is looking crazy. And then it's the same one in like this burnt orange color. And it's the same, but open it so y'all can see it. These are so cute. And if I had like, I would wear like my hair straight and have this hat on. Tell me that's not cute. And look, label and everything. And it's called Jose Dorque. Handmade with love. She has little tags and everything. Y'all can follow her Instagram. I'm gonna have it on the screen. And I'll have links so y'all can buy this quality, okay? And it's thick. Like this is literally, and it's stretchy. It's super stretchy. Let me take this back. Let me see if I can make him look a little decent. Just looking. I'm gonna try that on him. Yes. See, my hair is big, but this is cute. Yeah. I'm in Wilson, so I just want to try it on. And I will wear it like to like a beanie. Let me sling it back. You know, like that. The beanies that like slouch down or whatever. It's cute. Thank you, Jose Dorque, for sending me these hats. I love them. I love them. They're very cute. I'm gonna go because I actually just got to Wilson. I'm at the house and I just finished eating, but I'm about to go. So I'm gonna go. I just want to show y'all my new items because I'm excited. But make sure y'all shop her Jose Dorque. Please make sure y'all shop. Tell them that I sent y'all.
Please, thank you. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. Oh, you so sweet. I appreciate it. Thank you. No. I don't want to go back down. Iman, can you please sit me up, please? 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 Yes, please. Girl, please. Yes, please. Put me down. Thank you. Oh, you're so sweet. Thank you. Oh, nicest baby ever. All right. That's good. That's good.